Hello viewers, what's up? Before some days ago, they have a viral topic in YouTube about WhatsApp that how you can use stickers on WhatsApp and you can share it with your friends and send it to your friends and so on. It's very fun for you guys. And now here after this, I'm going to share with you about an excitement topic about the WhatsApp again, that how you can create your own facial expression sticker in WhatsApp and you can use it to share it with your friends, send it to your friends. So here I'm sajidz and here you watching Sajidz Take. Before that here guys, I have a little bit request for you. If you are not already a subscriber of my channel, then please, there have a request for you guys to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and if you do so thanks a lot. Start it. So here they have updated version of WhatsApp there, and only you will get these stickers on the updated version of WhatsApp, which maybe the version is 2.18.33 or equal and above this version here. So here I have just updated my WhatsApp version there, and you can also update your WhatsApp version if it's available. And now after just opening this here in WhatsApp, in your this is the my chatting options sir, and here it is, this is my chatting options, and from here in the smile emoji, from here you can add your stickers from there. But here I want to add my own stickers, that means my own facial expression stickers like that. So how I can make it? For that here you can make it here directly in WhatsApp, and for that you need to use a third-party website and it's available in Google Play Store there. So here in the Google Play Store you need to search here an app called Sticker Maker, and here the Sticker Maker and the sticker version is there, and I have already installed it there, and install it as it is, how you can install others there. So here after just installing it, you need to open this stickers option there, and from here you need to click on the create a new sticker pack there, and here you need to name your sticker there sajidz as it is here, and sticker author names is Sajid Hassan as my name. So here after that click on the create options there, and here it is the sajidz, and here you can able to add your stickers there. So first of all you need to click on the tray icon, that means the thumbnail icon, which the other can see that it's yours. So here there are two options called the take photo, that means you can take your photos just now, and here click on the select file. If you already added the photos in the gallery, you want to add the photos from the gallery, then click on the select files from there, and from here I just go to here in the gallery to use my here the photos, and from here there have photos are there. From here I just select these from here as my tray icon there. So here after that you need to just draw over it and how much portion you want to add, and here it is, this is the option sir. Now click on the save as it is and make it the perfect. As I don't make it the perfect, so please make it the perfect, and I just make it go through there, so I don't make it perfect there. So here you need to add at least 3 stickers to show there. So here I just add the first stickers from there. So here it is, I have added already 4 photos there. Now click on the publish sticker pack there, and it's just publishing there. Click on the yes publish, and it's a caution there, and here as it is a free app there, so you will get some ads there, and here it is, it's add. Now here this is the option called would you like to add sajidz to your WhatsApp, and if you don't want, then click on the cancel, and if you want, then click on the add. Now here it is, go to the back from there, and here it is, this is the ads up there, and click on the sajidz again. If you want to add it to the WhatsApp there, now click on the add to WhatsApp, and here it is, it's already going to add it WhatsApp. Now click on the add from there, and it's now added in the WhatsApp. So here from you can use it in your WhatsApp there. So here it is, first of all go to there in the chats option, and here it is, I'm just going to chat it with my friends, and here it is, it's another, here I just added there. So here it is, it's I just add there, and you can now send it to your friend. So guys, that's it from me, and I hope that guys you get a lot of fun from this, and you can now make it by your own. So that's it from me guys. If you just like this process there to make your stickers there, then please give a thumbs up this video to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get this type of excited topics in the future. So that's it from me guys. Thank you, goodbye, see you soon, have a nice day.